What if the key to understanding pandemics, cities, social movements, and the internet all came down to the same fundamental idea? The Network Science Institute at Northeastern University offers a 2-year Master of Science in Complex Network Analysis, a program designed for curious minds who want to find the hidden structure behind complex systems.
I had always been fascinated by human societies, why they form, why they fracture, how they emerge. But I kept running into the same wall with mainstream social science, which is that there's not enough of an emphasis on quantitative, formalized methods. Network science gave me a framework to look at the whole picture, where it's not about just one field or one subfield, it's about how everything within a society comes together and interacts to create this emergent phenomenon.
The program offers 4 concentrations, each housed within a different Northeastern college: population health dynamics, complex social systems, economic and technological networks, complex biological networks. 1 rigorous core, 4 different lenses on the world.
What I find really interesting about network science is that it's genuinely everywhere, and I'm very glad that the audience is growing for it, because it's not just helpful in lab situations or writing academic papers. It's genuinely everywhere and can help explain a lot of things around us. A couple interesting applications of network science are, for example, when your GPS figures out the shortest route across the city, that's a network science algorithm. Or when an epidemiologist identifies superspreader events and where the big hubs where things can get spread are, also uses network science methods. That range of application is what makes network science very compelling to study.
The program runs for 2 intensive, rewarding years. Graduates go on to careers in data science, public health, policy research, technology, and academia, bringing both quantitative rigor and real-world problem-solving skills. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from Brennan Klein, the program's director.
Network science is honestly one of the most exciting intellectual spaces that I've ever encountered. So questions from how diseases spread, to how societies polarize, to how the neurons in your brain work to create consciousness. All of these are questions that you can't ask without networks. And that's really what we're trying to build at Northeastern with our master's program in complex network analysis. We want to train students to use and analyze networks so that they can understand the complex systems in their lives. All of this goes into what we think of as an interdisciplinary training in complex network analysis. And we think about all of this in terms of professional development, whether that's research pairings with faculty at the Network Science Institute or co-op internships with industry partners. This is the hands-on research experience that very few other master's programs can offer.
In my first year, I got the chance to work with Professor Esteban Moro's Social Urban Networks Lab, or SUN Lab, alongside PhD students who are doing cutting-edge work in the field of urban science. We're using large-scale behavioral data from smartphones to understand how people move through and experience cities, and then asking what that tells us about how to make better policy and how to design cities that work for everyone. That work ended up leading to a co-op opportunity at the lab this summer. I'm still in the first year of my program, but I'm already doing the kind of research I came here hoping to do someday.
This program will push you, it will inspire you, and connect you with some of the people doing the most interesting work in complex systems of our time.
Find your place in the science of connection. Visit networkscienceinstitute.org to learn more and apply.